Alright everybody, in this video we're going to talk about operators like arithmetic operators and increment and decrement operators. What are operators? Operators are special symbols used to perform operation on variables, okay? And in this video we're going to talk about arithmetic operators and increment and decrement operators. Arithmetic operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponentiation, and modulus. And increment and decrement, we are going to talk about it later. But first, let's start with arithmetic operators. I'm going to delete this, and now I'm going to make two variables. Because operators are used to operation on variable. Okay? I'm going to make a variable x, and this x should be 10, and another variable y equal to 5. And I make another variable z, okay, and z equal to x variable addition y variable, okay. Now let's output this z variable. Look, variable x is 10, variable y is 5, and I'm gonna store the addition of these two variables inside the z variable, and after that I'm gonna output it the z variable, or if you don't like to store variable inside another variable, you can write it like this: x plus variable y. That's it. But instead of this, I'm gonna make it easy like this. Now let's see the addition of x and y equal to 15. Yes, is equal to 15. Now let's see the subtraction of them. The subtraction of them equal to 5. Let's see the multiplication of them. Let's see the multiplication of them. The multiplication of them is 50. Now let's see the division of them. Forward slash. With forward slash you can perform the division operation on variables. Now let's see. The division of them is 2. Now let's see the exponentiation. Exponentiation means 10 times 5, like this. Now let's see, is 100,000. Let's see the modulus. The modulus shows the remaining number, okay? 0. If I change this 5 into 4, the remaining number will be 2. Look, because when 10 divided by 4 person, 2 of them will be left, okay? These arithmetic operators. Now let's know about the increment and decrement. Now let's know about the increment and decrement. For example, I'm gonna make a variable x. This x should be 10, okay? And now I'm gonna increase it. Now I'm gonna increase this variable by 1. How can I write it like this? X plus plus. That's it. Now I'm gonna output the variable x. Now let's see. X is now is 11. X plus plus mean like this, okay? X equal to x plus 1. That's it. But I'm gonna write it in short way like this: x plus plus. That's it. And if you want to decrease it, you can write it minus minus, or you can write it like this: variable x minus 1. That's it. Now let's see. The x now is 9. That's it. This operators in PHP.